Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall QuickBooks Online Access, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall QuickBooks Online Access, start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online account. Navigate to the Settings menu, typically found at the bottom left corner of the screen. In the Settings menu, select Manage Users. Locate the user account you want to uninstall. Click on the drop-down arrow next to the account name. Select Delete next to the user's name. A confirmation box will appear asking if you're sure about deleting the user. Confirm your choice by clicking Yes to proceed. If you're the administrator, make sure you have backup for any important data before deletion. After deleting the user, you may want to review the list of remaining users to ensure everything is correct. To remove a subscription entirely, go back to the Settings menu. Select Billing and Subscription. Find the subscription you wish to cancel. Click on Cancel Subscription next to the plan. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. After cancellation, you will receive a confirmation email regarding your subscription status. Remember that uninstalling Access does not delete your QuickBooks company data. Your company files remain intact unless you choose to delete them separately. Once you have completed these steps, your QuickBooks Online Access will be uninstalled successfully. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.